Good morning, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Alex. I'm the CEO of FUCO SOLUTION, and this is our senior consultant of product marketing, Jamie. Today, we'll be showing you how bank statement can work differently on mobiles. People read statements, and we believe the statements are the best channel to communicate with clients for financial institutions. We need to check the information from the bank, including return on investment, credit card bills, and also campaigns, as well as the loyalty point summary. Nowadays, people like to work with the bank on the internet more and more. We want to go to physical branches less frequently. So instead of opening the envelopes, you can now easily check your bank statements via email, WeChat, Line, WhatsApp, and even Facebook. You look at your mobile instead of reading through papers, and it enables you to interact directly with financial institutions. We can do a lot of things on it, including online payments, online application, and also receiving online recommendation for a robo-advisor. So now we can have a look of the credit card bills for the month. This is my credit card bill, so we can quickly check into the overview. And the overview shows I have various cards on it. So I go to the transaction details. That split detailed information for different cards for me as well. Then the installment is actually bringing the best profit for credit card companies. So I bet credit card companies will be happy to know I'm going to do it. So I choose my Eagle card, which has the greatest amount on my bill, and I select 3 months for payment back. The trial calculation helps me to clearly understand, because that's very transparent for me to know how much I have to pay back for every month, and also with the interest. So that makes me very comfortable and confident to do it. So I check with the terms, and I submit on the fly. Then I get the installment of my monthly payment. Now we can quickly go check with the promotions. For the promotions, actually, I really want to know how much points, which is my loyalty point I've got from the bank. I can actually pay extra to get something I really want. So I check today's deal. Well, that's a cabinet I really want. They really know me because thanks to the big data and the behavior analysis behind of the smart statements. So I select the quantity, I go next. I select my name and the city, and go next. I pay the same credit card over the smart statement as well. So that's a very, very effective campaign. So after all this, we can go back and pay my bill. They will deduct through my savings account directly. Okay? So meanwhile, my bank statement comes as well. You can see this as a very personalized bank statement. The bank statement has my funds and savings on it. Let me to have a very clear review. And we go check with the insurance, because they also give me insurance, securities, retirements, as additional information and suggestions. So they allow me to do the assessment over there. I check the assessment. I use only one finger to input my information and to click what kind of insurance I really need. Then they give me the assessment of the results. So I check what is the healthy life is. So let's look at the policy, and we enable the online application on it to you, so you can actually apply the insurance on the fly as well. Then now we can realize there's really a robo-advisor behind this smart statement. So let's go into the retirement and try to see how it works. So there are a few questions for you. The smart statement actually has the full information of how I work with the banks. They know my investment, they know my transactions, they know how much money I've got from different income. They also know my age, my family status, so they can tailor-make questionnaires for me. That really helps me to input information very clearly and get accurate suggestions. Meanwhile, other people on the rest of the world are actually answering their tailor-made questions on the smart statement. So the financial institutions can do cross-analysis and helping that on the cross-selling and the upsellings, because people can understand from the testing results of what other people do for their retirement, for the reference. So that's really helping financial institutions to produce more accurate cross-selling, upselling activities on this very effective communication channel, Smart Statement. The Smart Statement has been communicating with customers for a long time. It can be also the portal of e-commerce. So we use also the Smart Statement to be the entrance of e-commerce portal. That really helps the financial institutions to get more incomes. We have been successfully helping financial institutions to reduce their costs, getting more revenues and also profits. We serve nearly 50% of banks in Taiwan and produce nearly 100 million of Smart Statements in China. One of our key clients in China makes nearly millions of RMB net profits monthly via Smart Statement. This is a whole new sales channel. And the Smart Statement is extremely important to retaining the existing customers, existing clients. So instead of finding the new ones, why not start to retaining your client by cross-selling and upselling your financial products? We're looking forward any opportunity to work with financial institutions and also fintech partners. We look forward to see you in the booths. Thank you.